All right, first step is to get this thing out. Yeah, okay. Just easier said than done. So I got it in, so that means I can get it out, right? Right. Okay, but this first one is just take those and I'll do this. We'll put all the loose pieces here. Substantial, huh? Outward. Zoom Loom. Okay, just okay. You can put it down. Whew. Yeah, thank you. This loom recently came into my life unexpectedly from a very generous woman who passed away, and it needs a little bit of work. Mostly just cleaning up, smoothing down, and tightening of screws. It's in very good condition. My friend Neve has come to help with acorn gathering for a month here on Kea, but we haven't started yet. So in the meantime, she's going to help me do this. It's going to be a lot easier with two people on the job. I was a little bit intimidated by doing it by myself. As it turned out, it only took an afternoon, and we got it absolutely ready for stringing. More than that. I was going, you saw that piece, I went all the way down, and it's just not necessary.
Okay, so
So I'm going to put some music on, I'm coming to help. Yeah, I'll show you. I have a clip of Billy Connolly explaining weaving.
Is that how you loom? I've never loomed. Aye, it goes, there's a bar that goes back and forth and a shuttle that goes that way. So there's a lot of that goes on.
That was so funny. So dry, I'm sure it will just suck in. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's really pretty. Yeah, look at that. It will, for sure. For sure. Nice. Well, thank you. That was very helpful. It was mostly psychological.
Yeah.
To be out here alone doing that, can you imagine?
Yeah, no, I can
It'd
imagine.
be like, this is never going to end, ever.
There, and you'll be looking at it 2 years later behind, so.
Exactly.
Oh, maybe not.
Exactly.
Is there another brush, or
I'll get one. Why don't you take that and I'll get one. I have such big furniture in such a small house, don't I?
Yeah.
It's really funny. So we managed to sand down the loom and oil it and reassemble it and repair some bits and get the whole thing ready for weaving. So the next step is going to be to string it. I don't know how much of that I'll get to in this video, but at least I'll start today. It's just beautiful. It's exactly the kind of loom I've always wanted. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how it feels when you weave on it. It's called a jack loom, and that means that the heddles, which are these things, I'll explain a little bit more later. They're controlled by these pedals. So when you push a pedal, the heddle lifts. And usually we refer to the pedals as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple as that. It's actually very simple, and once it's strung and I'm weaving, it'll be really easy to get. This is called a warping board. I had it made in 1985 by a carpenter in Athens, and I've had it with me ever since. And it's really special to me because it's actually the first thing I was able to accomplish project-wise in Greek when I was about, I don't know, 22 years old. So stay tuned for part 2 in a couple days when I string the loom with these beautiful wools and I start to weave. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting this eclectic little channel. Spread likes over all my stuff, and I'll see you in a few days.